Okay, the given question is f triple derivative 19 e to the x minus 6 sin x. And you got the right answer. Okay? So eventually the original function should be 19 e to the x minus 6 cosine x. Now the question is, when you take the antiderivative of that, okay, so antiderivative of that, 19 e to the x. Antiderivative of this one is 6 cosine x, but it should be positive. And you have a constant. Okay. Now, this should be the second derivative of f, and to get the original f, you have to take the antiderivative of this again, right? Then this one is easy, like that. Now, the constant term becomes what? What is the antiderivative constant term? Is cx, right? And we need another constant term there. Okay? So it's better to say c1 and c2 right now. Okay? And finally, the original f should be antiderivative of f prime, right? So this one becomes 19 e to the x and minus 6 cosine x, like you find. But this one is actually antiderivative of x, is 1/2 x squared, right? So 1/2 c1 x squared plus c2 x plus c3, right? So now for checking is, when you take the derivative of f, derivative of this entire one, 3 times, then you get this one, right? You are going to lose those quadratic function part, right? Okay, so that's the kind of tricky parts about it. Okay? So the answer should be not just plus c, you should have something at the end like that.